Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I have on review Skarbe. Well, it is a really great tool. It is a not half-baked startup. Well, AppSumo provides good selection of products. However, from time to time, there are appearing products in their initial development phase, but not this one. This is your full-blown CRM system, which will help you with your sales with built-in AI assistant, which will suggest follow-ups, generate emails to help you close the deals. And the power of this tool is in integrations. We'll see those a bit later in the video. And it is not a clunky CRM with a lot of bells and whistles that you are not using. It is intended to be as simple as possible, however, at the same time, providing all the needed functionality. You can customize your sales pipeline, you get smart suggestions to help you to close the deals. You will see the timelines for each deals. You will be able to automatically transcribe and summarize the calls you do. There are automated follow-ups. You get suggested actionable next steps. So yeah, regarding the plans, the difference will be in the number of suggestions available monthly, as well as number of recorded hours, transcription hours, generated emails, and total call recording hours. So you may take a look which plan will work best for you. Okay, so let's take a look at Skarbe. And before we even begin, let's take a look at the integrations. And I think this shows the quality of the tool. I mean, the tool with which Skarbe integrates. It has integration with HubSpot, so you can import your contacts, deals, and tasks. Pipedrive, the same. It even has the access to Salesforce. I think this is one of the top CRM systems in the world. You can connect your Google Calendar, Gmail, and Google Drive, so you can schedule your calls easily and track follow-ups. You can connect to Zoom and Slack, for example. You can get notified when the deal is closed in a particular Slack channel. And there are a few other integrations, including automation tools like Zapier. And with webhooks, you can do virtually anything. Okay, so let's take a look at the calendar. Once you connect your Google Calendar, you can create events. You can choose where to have the meeting. The participants, the contacts will be imported from your Gmail account. You can save that. So we get this event here. And if we open our Gmail, Google Calendar, we can see this event propagated here. And vice versa, if we create a call here with Google Meet and save that, we should be able to see that call here as well. Yep, here it is, with the Google Meet link. You will be able to get the detailed reports, including meeting minutes, challenges, concerns, FAQ section, and these reports can be generated using these templates. So, for example, you can get coaching advice on a particular sales call, create meeting minutes, and so on, including you can have your own custom template. There is, of course, a deals pipeline, so you can ask suggestions for a particular deal. You can ask to generate email, for example. Well, I have my language set as Spanish, so it was generated in Spanish, but you get the idea. So then you will be able to track emails, notes, any medias, and meetings. For a particular deal, you can assign deals to your pipelines. For example, here's the deal, and you can select different pipelines. For example, here you can see that I've connected my HubSpot account. Again, the default language there was Spanish. So this pipeline was imported from a HubSpot with these steps predefined there. I also connected pipeline, another CRM tool, and another pipeline was created. So let's choose a default one and let's make it as closed one, save. And if we again go to Slack, yep, here it is, another message. You can, of course, track your contacts and see again all the activity. You can manage companies and so on. So yeah, I think Skarbe is a great tool, and it is not in a startup mode. Again, it is really a tool that can help you with your sales. It has, I would say, the best selection of integration for a CRM tool. You have all that you need to make your calls. Yep. So as I've mentioned, Skarbe is a great CRM tool, which is not overbloated with unnecessary features, but it provides you with all you need to help you to close the deals. And also, you can connect Skarbe board to your calls, so to your Zoom calls and Google Meet calls, and it will automatically transcribe those and will give you the summary and actionable items. So yeah, to get this Skarbe, please check my link in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.